Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best truck bed extenders on Amazon. These extenders add a few feet to the bed, so they're lifesavers when you have to haul long, unwieldy items like kayaks or lumber. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Maxhall Hitch Mount Truck Bed Extender. This truck bed extender is compatible with 2-inch hitch receivers. For this reason, it can be used with other vehicles in addition to trucks. This truck bed extender is rust resistant, so it can be exposed to harsh weather conditions. With its adjustable length and width, it can be used for many different applications. Also, its side arms fold down when not in use and can double as a work area. It is also built with safety in mind, as it comes with reflective tape on its front and sides for added visibility. In addition, you can easily assemble and disassemble it using its 4 quick-release clevis pins. Just be careful not to subject it to very heavy loads as it tends to wobble, especially at high speeds. If you are bad at following directions, then you are out of luck because the instructions that come with this product are hard to follow. The step-by-step instructions are not thorough and clear enough for non-technical persons. Number 2. The Cotric Pickup Truck Bed Hitch Extender. This is another lower-priced extender made entirely out of sturdy steel material for increased strength and carrying power. It is compatible with 2-inch square hitch receivers and adapters as well. Its best feature overall is its ability to carry up to an extra 750 pounds. Also, the extender is fully adjustable from 28.25 inches to 48.75 inches, giving you more wiggle room to carry longer boards and more gear. It's an excellent tool for helping you manage your space and saves you time by not having to make extra trips to pick up more stuff. While it isn't all that expensive, it is a pricey hitch extender. You may also hear some rattling as it may wobble around slightly in the hitch. There have also been reports about the hitch pin being too tight to put in at first, however, this should loosen up over time. Number 3. Ericsson Pickup Bed Extender. The Ericsson Pickup Bed Extender is a uniquely designed device for your truck. First off, the extender is set at a reasonable price and allows you to hold up to 350 pounds of extra weight. Another great feature of the equipment is its ability to fully extend your truck bed out to another 4 feet, meaning extra space to work with. The Ericsson Pickup Bed Extender includes welded loops so you can rig up bungee cords or straps easily, securely, and effectively. The extender is designed to function with SUVs, short bed trucks, vans, and anything else built for hauling. Keep in mind that your truck will need a hitch to use this extender. This means you will also lose access to your hitch while you're using this device. There have also been reports that the extender can wobble around while you're driving. Number 4. Audi OffRoad Truck Bed Extender for Ram. The Ford bed extender boasts a robust construction that ensures long-lasting durability. The product is made of heavy-duty steel, which provides the necessary strength to withstand the rigors of demanding hauling tasks. The extender's sturdy build instills confidence in users, assuring them that their cargo will be securely held in place, even during bumpy rides. Its straightforward installation process allows truck owners to quickly and effortlessly attach the extender to the truck's bed. No complicated tools or modifications are required, making it a hassle-free experience for users. The extender easily attaches to the existing tie-down points in the truck bed, ensuring a secure fit without any drilling or modifications. With a flip of a latch, users can switch between a secured position within the truck bed and an extended position that provides additional cargo space. Number 5. AMP Research Black Bedextender Sport Truck Bed Extender. This truck bed extender is built for sports trucks and offers plenty of extra space to store tires, wheels, and racing equipment. It is available in 2 different colors, black and silver. However, its best overall feature is its tapered V-shaped aluminum alloy design. The bent design makes it much more capable and reliable. It adds around 2 feet of space and sits on top of the tailgate. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products